What else? Yeah, I think that's it. I have a couple of questions here on my comment section that I'm going to show you here. And one of the questions was from Thyago Beats, and this is Portuguese. So it's one of the actually is in both my videos here, in the English video and Portuguese video. But basically, it says my side tab is gone. How do I turn it on? And this app is where the drums and packs are. So this is basically what I explained you, but you didn't saw because or you didn't listen to because my microphone was off. That's on me. And sorry. And let's go ahead here in FL Studio. So as you can see, everything is closed, but usually FL Studio comes with a couple of windows that we can show. And let's see, I think it's F9. So as you can see, we have all these windows. This one is the playlist. And if you are not a beginner FL Studio user, this will be a little bit boring, but there are some people that are starting out, so this can help. So we have several windows. This is called the playlist window. This is the channel rack. This is the mixer. And as you saw, they were coming up from nowhere in the FL Studio. This was because I was clicking on some shortcuts keys, and basically there's some windows that show up whenever you click some keys on your keyboard, and basically you can just disable everything. But if you go here to view, we have a section for the windows, and this is basically the windows that are selected that you can select here. And as you can see, clicked F5 and showed up the playlist. So if I click F5, the window playlist opens up and closes. And you can also have here, you can also have these buttons. These do the same thing. And as you will see, as you become more proficient with FL Studio, you will see that there's a lot of ways to do the same thing in FL Studio. And this is one of them. And the window that Thyago Beats was talking about is this here, the browser window. And you can enable it and disable it by clicking on Alt F8, which is a little bit harder to memorize, but it is what it is. So it's not Shift, it's Alt F8, and the window shows and closes, as you can see. And you can customize these knobs here by right-clicking in any empty area and do edit. And you can just bring and drop the icons that you want, and you can bring them anywhere. Let's say I want to have, let me say, drag to move. Okay, let's say I want to have this one here and close it. And this helps